Hello everyone. Let's learn how to create a realistic cracked skin effect in Photoshop. So first, open your image in Photoshop. Now go to Image, Adjustment, and Levels. Here, adjust the levels to create a good contrast in the image. Hit OK. Drag and drop the cracked texture image into this file and adjust the location. The download link is given in the description. Now, change its blending mode to darken. Create a mask on this layer. Select the brush tool, and then make sure that you have selected a black color in the color picker here. Adjust the scale of the brush, and then start painting over the unwanted part of the texture. Now, create a brightness and contrast layer. Increase the brightness and contrast up to 40%. Right-click on the texture layer and choose Blending Options. Here, move these sliders a little to make the cracked effect look more realistic. Hit OK. We are done here. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.